8 networks can be divided. And this particular scenario of classless, you got the idea, addressing mechanism was called CIDR, CIDR. The full form of CIDR is classless interdomain routing. So have you understood what is classless interdomain routing? It is called as classless interdomain routing, CIDR. It is pronounced as CIDER, CIDR. It is read as CIDR. Yes, CIDER. Now here you will have IPv4 addressing kind of scenario here. So 1 2 3, 1 byte here, 1 byte here, 1 byte here, 1 byte here, then slash followed by. So CIDR follows this notation, slash notation. So here you will have 4 bytes. So this should have been written 08, not 8, single 8. It should be 08. So 12.24.76.08, and 8 is the prefix length. 8 is the prefix length, slash 8. Here 12 is the prefix length. Here 25 is the prefix length. You got the idea? And this is your acting as your IPv4 addressing kind of scenario. IPv4 addressing kind of scenario. So here, if in this mechanism, IPv6 mechanism, if the prefix length is equal to n. So in this case, if the prefix length is equal to n, so prefix length, if I take it to be n, prefix length, if I take it to be n, then 32 minus n will be, can be taken as the remaining suffix, remaining suffix. So 2 raised to power 32 minus n it will be. You got the idea? So number of addresses in the block is found as 32 minus n. And to find the first address, n leftmost bits, you got the idea, and set the 32 minus n bits as the rightmost bits, all to 0. If I want to find the first address, I'll take the example. I'll show the example. Through example, I'll show how exactly it can be. If I want to find the first address, that means the network address, I have to take leftmost bits, you got the idea, as it is, and 32 minus n bits, rightmost bit, I'll convert it to 0. And to find the last address means the host address. If I want to find the host address, in that case, leftmost bits, we keep n leftmost bits as it is. You got the idea? And the 32 minus n rightmost bits, I will convert it into ones. So that will give me the last address. Leftmost bits, I'll take it as what I'm saying, as it is. I'm not disturbing. So in both the cases, you got the idea, leftmost bits are untouched. If I want to know network address, in that case, the leftmost bits are not touched, but the rightmost, 32 minus n, rightmost bits are taken all 0. You got the idea? And here, if I want to find the last address, that is the host address, how many hosts can be there. So the last address, what I'll do is leftmost bits I'll not touch. You got the idea? Whether I want to find first address or whether I want to find the last address, these leftmost n bits I'm not touching. N bits can be 2 bits, it can be 8 bits, it can be 16 bits, it can be any number of bits. You got the idea? 2 to the power n kind of thing. So leftmost bits I'll not touch. Only 32 minus n bits I'll make it 0. If I make it all rightmost bits as 0, 32 minus n bits as 0, I'll be getting first address. So to get the last address, that is the address of the host, I'll keep n leftmost bits as it is, and the most 32 minus n rightmost bit to 1. I'll do that. So to get the first and last, you got the idea, this thing. So here, there is the scenario. Not the idea. So how many bits are there? Now we have the leftmost bit I am taking as 27 bits. Slash notation tells out of this leftmost how many bits are there? 27 bits. So the leftmost part is 27. So rightmost part I will have, like rightmost part is nothing but 2 to the power 32 minus 27. It will be 32 minus 27. So thus if I have to express in written form, so here n is equal to, in this case, this n is equal to 27. N is equal to 27. Got the idea? So 2 raised to power this will be equal to, now I have scenario 2 raised to power 32 minus n means minus 27. You got the idea? So minus 27, this becomes equal to 2 to the power 5, right? So this will be 32 addresses. Okay, the number of addresses in the network are 32, right? So this is nothing but first n bits as prefix and 32 minus n bits as suffix. And for first address, prefix I am not disturbing. The last bits 32 minus n. 32 minus n means 32 minus 27 means 5 bits. I'll make all zeros. And if I want to find the last address, that is the host addresses, prefix I am remaining keeping it untouched. And 32 minus 27, last 5 bits I'll make it as 1. This is what I have to, you got the idea, do it. So you can see here, I'll take simple example. So first bit address can be found by keeping 27 bits. So here the length is 27. Length is 27 means prefix length is 27. If you count, these are 8 plus 8, 16. You got the idea, plus 8, 24, 25, 26, 27 bits are prefix length. So total length is 32. 32 minus 27, it gives you, you got the idea? So if I want to know the first address, if I want to know the whole, network address, I'll make this all zeros. The last 5 bits, 32 minus 5, 27, 32 minus 27, I'll make them all zero. And so these many network addresses I will have. These many. First address is the network address. Now, if the same scenario is there, I want to, get the last address. So if this is the scenario, that address 167, 199, and 170.82/27 means the prefix is 27 bits long. You can see 8 bits plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24, 25, 26, 27. I have taken the color code to represent between 27 is the length of what I am going to say prefix and suffix. Now, since I want to know the last address I have to make the last 32 minus 27, 5 bits. You got the idea, as 1. So to distinguish, since all were 1 already, we could have in 0, 1, 0, 1, something like that, all 5 bits. So, but all bits, I'll make it as 1. So these many last addresses will be there. So in examination, this is also asked. You will be given this kind of addressing. You will be given this kind of addressing. You will be asked to calculate. You got the idea, first address and last address. You will be asked to calculate first address and last address. So in that scenario, what you do is, this you convert it to binary. 167 binary is this. You just can find this. This is nothing but 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4. Plus 4 means this is 7. Then 8 and 16 are 0. This is 32. Right? 2 raised to power 5 is 32. 2 raised to power 6 is not there. 2 raised to power 7. 128. You got the idea? 128 plus, how much was this? 32 plus 7. So when you add, it becomes 167. So the notation will be given to you in this form. Convert that into binary. Have you understood the scenario?
Sir, can you repeat it?
See, 167, if you convert it into binary, how it will be? Just check ma. This is how much? This is 1 plus this is 2, 3. 2 raised to power 1 if you make it. 2 raised to power 1, this is nothing but 2 to the power 0. You got the idea? This is nothing but 2 to the power 3, right? This is nothing but 2 to the power 4. You got the idea? This is 2 to the power 5, right? And this is 2 to the power 6, right? This is 2 to the power 7. This is 2 to the power, no, 1. This is 2. I have missed 2 to the power 2. I'm sorry. This should have been 2 to the power 2. I have gone wrong. So sorry. Uh, this is nothing but 2 to the power 0. You got it? This is 2 to the power 0. This is 2 to the power 1. This is 2 to the power 2. You got the idea? This is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 6. And 2 to the power 7. So 2 to the power 7 means this becomes 128. 128 plus 32. 128 plus 32, how much? It is 160. 160 plus 7, 167. So convert it into binary. Like this, 199, convert it into binary. 170, convert it into binary. 82, convert it into binary. All the entire thing. Then, first 27 bits.
Just look.
Are you understanding? First 27 bits are what I meant to say prefix. So 32 minus 27, the 5 bits are suffix kind of thing. So if you want to know the number of first address means all 27 bits prefix you keep as it is. The last, what I meant to say, 5 bits you make all 0. So this whole thing when you taken together, it becomes network addresses. It becomes network addresses. I can understand. And here, the same scenario is there, 167, 199, 170, and 82, 27. In this, if I want to know the last address means again, here, the 27 bits are as it is. The last 5 bits, they are already 1. If had it been what I mean to say 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, something like this, still I would have made it all ones. And then this entire thing is called as host address or the connection address. So this is what is there. So suppose you want to know address of this, say 192. You got the 192 dot 156 dot 182. Got the dot 96. Sorry, dot 96. Dot 96 slash. You got the idea. 21 is there. Now you find the first address and last address for this. Everyone, you understood the question? That it is 192.156.182.96 and the length of prefix is 21 bits. Find the first address and last address.
Sir, in the given example, the above example, 167, 199, 170, and 82, while finding the last address, the last 5 bits should be 10010, right?
Not like this. No, it can be anything. It can be 01011 also. Last 5 bit not necessary it is this. But if you want to convert, get the first address, you have to make whatever is the content here. You got the idea? Whatever is the, actually it is the full, this is 82, conversion of 82.
Yes,
The
sir.
last 8 bits is conversion of 82. If you convert that 82, it will come last 8 bits. And because of that, it has come. So here, instead of 182, I have 92. 82, I have 92, 96. In 96, last 5 bits are here. So here, I am saying 27. Here, the address is 21 now. Prefix address is 21. 21 means only you have to consider 21 bits. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5 bits only you have to take it as. So total 21 bits, and remaining all will be suffix address. In the suffix address, if you want first address, so the last uh, 11 bits you have to make all zeros. So now you convert, your job is to convert this into first address, get the first address and last address of this. So get me the equivalent of 192, 8-bit equivalent of 192. What it will be? 2 to the power 7 is how much? 128. You got the idea? Then 2 to the power 6 is 32 I'll need. So 128 plus 32 is how much? 160. Now I have to have 32. 32 means 2 raised to power 5. You got the idea? Sorry, this should have been, so this cannot be. So it can be, so this is nothing but 32 plus, this is 160 plus, and remaining 5 bits all 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is equal to 192. So this is nothing but equal to 192. Like this, you convert 156. Now 156 means 128 bit. This 2 to the power 7 will be 1. Then it is 32 bit. It won't happen because 1. If I, so this should be 0. This should be 1 and this should be 0. 2 to the power 6, 32, because it is becoming 160. Once I have 156 only. So here remaining, how do I give? This is 128 plus. How much I have to give? 2 to the power 5 I cannot take. 2 to the power 5 is how much? 128. So was this correct? 192, is it correct?
Sir, 192, 1100000000.
How much? 11?
1 and then 6 zeros.
1160, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
double 1 and then 6 zeros.
Huh? How much? 192 is how much? This is nothing but 2 to the power 7, means 128. And 2 to the power 6 is nothing but 2 to the power 6 is how much?
50.
No, it
64.
is 64. 2 to the power 6 is 64. I cannot take this. So 1 0, this should have been 101. You got the idea? 101. So 2 to the power 6 is how much? 2 to the power 6 is 64.
Sir,
So this is
128
30.
plus 64 is 192, sir.
Huh?
128
Okay.
plus 64 is
So
192.
64. So this will be directly 1 1. So this should be 0, you mean to say. So I have muddled it. So it will be 1 1. Okay, this is 192. 156 is how much?
1001100.
Just 100.
111
111
00.
00 is 156. What is 182?
10
10
11
11
4 zeros. Oh, sorry. So it's 1
Something
0
wrong?
1
भी चंगा मेरा प्यों भी चंगा नहीं
Hey, who is it?
so it's 1 0
Ah,
1 1
hmm.
0110.
0110. So these two are not required.
Sir,
So
while
this is
finding the first address, that will be 0 last after that bits. 10110. After that, there will be zeros.
10110.
That 0 will be 21st bit, no? And then later will be zeros, right? For the
No,
first
Baba.
address.
First, give me the equivalence of 170.
The 2 ones will be there between those two
Sir,
zeros.
2 ones
Sorry,
will be there.
182. Give me the equivalence of 182. 10, 110, and then
1,
1.
1
11.
11.
and
Yes, sir.
0 last.
11. Next
Correct now, sir.
value of 82 you give me.
011.
011.
011.
All zeros. Rest.
All zeros. Okay. Now count 21 bits. So this is nothing but 8 bits plus 8 bits. You got the idea? 16 plus 5 bits. This is 5 bits. So this remains unchanged. So from here till here, this remains unchanged. Remaining 11 bits. So 3 from here, 8. So 11 bits, all zeros to get first address. And for getting the last address, you have to make these 11 bits all zeros. Whatever is the content, I am not bothered. But the last 11 bits, that means these 3 bits plus these 8 bits are to be converted into all ones. If I convert them all ones, I am getting last address. If I convert all these 11 bits into zeros, I'll be getting first address. So have you understood the whole mechanism, how to get first address and last address?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will stop our class here itself. Hopefully in examination, this is how the things are asked. You got the idea? This is how the things are asked. So you should be able to convert the entire thing into properly the forms. But you will be given always dotted notation, slash notation, dotted slash notation. So this entire thing, you have to convert it into, don't convert this into binary. Don't convert slash notation after whatever is there in slash notation. Do not convert it into binary. Only first 4 quantities you have to convert it into binary like this. Then count the number of what I mean to say, this bits. These many bits are called prefix bits. And the remaining suffix bits you have to make either zeros or 1 zeros. If you make suffix bits, if you make 0, I am getting first address. If suffix bits, if I am making all ones, it is nothing but what I am getting is this. Okay, fine. So this is where I stop. Tomorrow I'll continue with the remaining part. So have